clean. So it's been an ongoing project. When did we start this? 2 months ago?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then also you can't see, but we did all these traps as well actually. We did all that dot work. That's all like healed now. And then actually we did those lines first. That was like the entry. Then we did that lines, then we did this. And then it goes on those traps as well. But then no, mandala was first. This one we did first.
Mandala first,
Yeah.
then the sides,
And the sides, yeah.
then the traps up to about there, and then we finished that in.
No, we did the traps first.
No, man. Oh.
Mandala traps, and then the sides were last
Yeah.
week.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I used, huh? Fucking hell, I guess the mic died on that. Well, now you're gonna hear me a bit differently. But long story short, we started with this, and we lined that. That was like 4 hours, line and shade and all that. Then healed. Then we decided that we were gonna do the traps part. And then I stenciled that side first. Then we did. Oh no, I stenciled both at the same time. But this all done by individual dots, and it's a 7 liner. Just do all them, makes it nice, neat, and crisp. Then we did the heads. That also like I marked literally the middle of his ear, pulled line up, and that's where that top part came. Then we decided that we're gonna go from his hairline straight down, so that made a cut to the beard. That's really cool, and that's also done, as you can see, by individual dots. To line these and black out would take way longer than dots. I mean, that was pretty easy session, I know. I think we 3-4 hours now. That was it. No?
For about 5, I think.
Yeah. Oh well, it seemed
I felt every hour.
it seemed really easy to me.
Every minute on the last hour. I
Yeah,
felt.
and so that was last week literally, and then it's healed now. I can't see any. No,
Just 1 week. 1 week. That.
yeah, no scabs, nothing. That was cool. And then there was a gap on a behind there, so I've re-stenciled a fresh one. Literally where that point is, I put that fresh line down, and then wherever it goes. And then today, you can see all the fresh damage. All this was not tattooed. That was not tattooed, and that was not tattooed as well. And then today, that's what we did. This is done by 7 liner. Outlined the mandala up there with 7, and then I shaded with 15 mag upwards. That is like a medium shading ink, so it's not going to be like the main character, because the mandala needs to be the main character. And then all these spiky bits, I did them with, I think it's 5 or 7 round shader. And then these are black, these are grayish, and these are a bit lighter. It's like a different gradation, so mandala, so it doesn't look flat, doesn't heal flat. And I don't know what else to say. That was done by 7 liner, all these dots by 7 liner. I have no idea what liner I used to do the mandala, who knows. What else I need to say? I don't know. Probably. How was sleeping? How was the sleep with this? That's a question to you.
I was with the pain, or
I don't know.
that was all good. Like I say, it gets a bit sharp up there, but all this was good. It got sharp on but we bled out a lot there. Do you remember?
Yeah, it was bleeding crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, but the head it's not as bad as I thought, to be honest. Just up here, it hurts.
Yeah.
And then I'm just going to have my hair cut down there next time and have a medium. Yeah, so that's why I wanted it up there, just so I could fade it in with my hair.
Oh.
All
So
good.
altogether, what do you say, about 20-ish hours, huh?
About 20, 21. So 4, 6.5, about 5, and then whatever that is today. 4 today or something, 3 or 4.
Yeah. And then that's about it. I'm probably gonna see him at some time in the future.
Maybe.
He's leaving the town soon, so but I feel like I will see you someday.
I'll be back.
So, I don't know what else I need to say. I think that's about it. Ink wise, literally all I have is blacks there. That's shading ink. That's the brown shader. That's the 15 mag I was just shading. and that's a 7, and that's about it. And then just bedtime sleeping. Yeah, that's how it goes.